For centuries, waterways have been the arteries of global trade. They provide efficient routes for transporting goods across vast distances. Their existence has shaped civilizations and powered economies. The Suez Canal, for example, revolutionized trade between Europe and Asia. It shortened travel times and reduced costs. Today, the Panama Canal plays a similarly vital role. It connects the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. This waterway facilitates the movement of goods between the Americas and the rest of the world. The Panama Canal stands as a testament to human ingenuity. However, the canal is facing mounting pressures. Climate change has brought about more frequent and severe droughts. These droughts threaten the canal's water supply. The canal relies on rainfall to replenish its locks. Without sufficient water, ships cannot pass through. This leads to delays and congestion. Additionally, the canal's capacity is being tested by larger ships and increasing global trade. These factors highlight the need for alternative shipping routes. Mexico has unveiled an ambitious project, the Interoceanic Corridor. This project aims to establish a new trade route across southern Mexico. It seeks to rival the Panama Canal. The corridor will connect the Gulf of Mexico to the Pacific Ocean. This will be achieved through a network of railways, highways, and upgraded ports. The Mexican government envisions the corridor as a catalyst for economic growth. It also aims to address social disparities in the country's south. At the heart of the Interoceanic Corridor lies a 188-mile railway. This ambitious project is a testament to Mexico's commitment to enhancing its infrastructure and boosting its economy. The railway is not just a line on a map. It represents a significant leap forward in connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans, creating a new, efficient route for global trade. This railway will link the port of Coatzacoalcos on the Gulf of Mexico to the port of Salina Cruz on the Pacific coast. These ports are vital gateways for international trade, and the new railway will significantly reduce the time and cost of transporting goods between these two major bodies of water. The railway is designed to accommodate double-stacked cargo containers. This design choice is crucial for maximizing the efficiency and capacity of the railway, allowing it to handle a larger volume of goods with fewer trips. This will enable the efficient transport of goods across the isthmus. The ability to move large quantities of cargo quickly and efficiently is a game-changer for businesses and industries relying on timely deliveries. Alongside the railway, the project includes the expansion and modernization of highways. These improvements are essential for supporting the increased traffic and ensuring that goods can be transported seamlessly from the railway to their final destinations. These highways will connect the corridor to major cities and industrial centers within Mexico. By linking these key areas, the project aims to stimulate economic growth and development throughout the region. This integrated transportation network will facilitate the seamless flow of goods. The combination of railways and highways creates a robust infrastructure that supports efficient logistics and supply chain management, ultimately benefiting businesses and consumers alike. Special economic zones, engines of growth and investment. To attract investment and spur economic activity, Mexico is establishing special economic zones, or SEZs, along the corridor. These SEZs will offer tax incentives, streamlined regulations, and other benefits to businesses. They are intended to attract a wide range of industries, including logistics, manufacturing, and energy. The Mexican government hopes these zones will create jobs, boost local economies, and foster technological innovation. Navigating the challenges, social, and environmental concerns. While the Interoceanic Corridor holds immense promise, it also faces significant challenges. This ambitious project aims to create a new trade route that could significantly boost the economy, but it must balance development with the preservation of local communities and the environment. Indigenous communities have raised concerns about land rights and the potential impact on their cultural heritage. These communities have lived on these lands for generations, and the corridor's construction could disrupt their way of life, traditions, and access to ancestral lands. Environmental groups have highlighted the risks posed to the region's biodiversity and ecosystems. The corridor passes through areas rich in flora and fauna, and construction activities could lead to habitat destruction, pollution, and other ecological disturbances. Addressing these concerns is crucial for the project's long-term sustainability. Efforts such as reforestation, wildlife conservation, and pollution control are essential to mitigate the environmental impact and ensure that development does not come at the cost of nature. The Mexican government has pledged to engage with local communities and implement measures to mitigate environmental damage. they have promised to hold regular consultations with indigenous groups and environmentalists to address their concerns and incorporate their feedback into the project planning. However, it remains to be seen how effectively these commitments will be translated into action. The success of the Interoceanic corridor will depend on the genuine and sustained efforts to balance economic growth with social and environmental responsibility, ensuring that all stakeholders benefit from this transformative project. A new dawn for global trade, the corridor's potential. The Interoceanic corridor is not just another infrastructure project, it represents a transformative vision for the future of global commerce. By creating a new pathway for goods to travel between continents, it aims to alleviate some of the most pressing challenges in international trade. The Interoceanic corridor has the potential to reshape global trade patterns. This ambitious project is designed to provide a more efficient and reliable route for the movement of goods, bypassing traditional choke points and reducing dependency on existing routes. Its strategic location offers an alternative route for goods traveling between Asia and the Americas. By leveraging Mexico's unique geographical position, the corridor can serve as a critical link in the global supply chain, enhancing connectivity and fostering economic growth. This is particularly significant given the increasing constraints faced by the Panama Canal. As global trade volumes continue to rise, the Panama Canal has become a bottleneck, leading to delays and higher costs for shippers. The corridor's modern infrastructure and efficient logistics could reduce shipping times and costs, benefiting businesses and consumers alike. State-of-the-art facilities and streamlined operations will ensure that goods move swiftly and smoothly, minimizing delays and maximizing efficiency. Furthermore, the project's focus on renewable energy and sustainable practices could position it as a model for environmentally responsible development. By integrating green technologies and prioritizing sustainability, the Interoceanic corridor aims to set new standards for eco-friendly infrastructure, paving the way for a more sustainable future in global trade. Conclusion: a transformative project, carefully managed. Mexico's Interoceanic corridor is a bold and ambitious undertaking. If successful, it has the potential to transform the country's economy and reshape global trade routes. However, the project's success hinges on addressing social and environmental concerns. Striking a balance between economic development and sustainability will be paramount. The world will be watching closely as Mexico embarks on this transformative journey. Its success or failure will have far-reaching implications for global trade and the future of infrastructure development. The economic impact of the Interoceanic corridor. The Interoceanic corridor is expected to have a significant economic impact on Mexico and the surrounding regions. By providing a new trade route, it will attract international investments and create numerous job opportunities. The corridor will also enhance the competitiveness of Mexican exports by reducing transportation costs and times. Additionally, the development of special economic zones along the corridor will foster industrial growth and technological advancements. This chapter will explore the various economic benefits and potential challenges associated with the project. As the Interoceanic corridor takes shape, the Mexican government is committed to ensuring that its development aligns with principles of environmental sustainability. This ambitious project will prioritize the use of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, to significantly reduce its carbon footprint. In addition to embracing green energy, the corridor's construction will integrate comprehensive measures to protect the region's rich biodiversity and delicate ecosystems. These initiatives include the creation of wildlife corridors, the restoration of degraded habitats, and stringent regulations to prevent pollution. The focus on environmental sustainability extends beyond construction. Long-term plans involve continuous monitoring and adaptive management strategies to address any unforeseen ecological impacts, ensuring that the corridor remains a model of sustainable development. Join us as we explore the specific environmental measures being implemented and their potential to transform not only the project, but also the surrounding areas into a beacon of eco-friendly progress. As the Interoceanic corridor takes shape, it is not just an ambitious infrastructural endeavor, but also a technological marvel. Leveraging cutting-edge technologies, the corridor aims to enhance efficiency and effectiveness across all its operations. Advanced logistics and supply chain management systems will be at the heart of this transformation, ensuring that goods move seamlessly from coast to coast. These systems will optimize routes, reduce transit times, and minimize costs, creating a more resilient and responsive supply chain. State-of-the-art infrastructure for transportation and communication will further elevate the corridor's capabilities. High-speed rail networks, modern ports and efficient roadways will facilitate swift and reliable transportation, while advanced communication networks will keep all stakeholders connected and informed. But the technological prowess doesn't stop there. The Interoceanic corridor will also incorporate smart technologies to monitor and manage environmental impacts. Sensors and data analytics will provide real-time insights into air and water quality, enabling proactive measures to mitigate any adverse effects on the environment. These technological innovations promise to bring a multitude of benefits from enhanced operational efficiency to improved environmental stewardship. The Interoceanic corridor stands as a testament to how technology can drive progress, ensuring that this transformative project not only meets but exceeds the expectations of the 21st century. Join us as we delve deeper into the various technological innovations being integrated into the corridor and explore their potential to revolutionize global commerce and connectivity. As the Interoceanic corridor emerges as a pivotal infrastructural marvel, its implications for global trade are profound. By offering an alternative route for goods traveling between Asia and the Americas, the corridor promises to alleviate some of the pressures on the heavily trafficked Panama Canal. This could lead to more efficient and cost-effective shipping routes, benefiting businesses and consumers worldwide. Imagine a world where supply chains are more resilient, where goods move seamlessly across continents, and where the cost of shipping is significantly reduced. The Interoceanic corridor is poised to make this vision a reality. With reduced transit times and optimized routes, businesses can expect lower operational costs and faster delivery times. This, in turn, translates to more competitive pricing for consumers and a more dynamic global market. Moreover, the corridor's strategic position will attract investment and foster economic growth in the regions it connects. By becoming a critical node in the global trade network, it will create new opportunities for trade and commerce, driving development and prosperity. But the benefits extend beyond just economic gains. By providing an alternative route, the Interoceanic corridor will also reduce congestion and environmental strain on existing shipping lanes, promoting a more sustainable approach to global trade. Join us as we explore the transformative potential of the Interoceanic corridor in reshaping global trade patterns and its role in creating a more connected and prosperous world.